smell that, guys? Puns. Firas, since I've been single, bro, if you go through my internet history, all you find is hardcore porn. Come say that, bro. Oh, watch out. Move. Did I frighten you? Bloody hell, bro. That day we played cricket together, you really proved to me that you can throw fast. Hey, buddy. When we go watch the test match, which car are we taking? Hey, Firas, my friend. Come here, I need to tell you something. You're such an asshole, man. Hey, sweetie. You looking for a good time? Yeah. For an extra 50, I licks your ass. What the fuck are you doing? Thus as Svata. Are you ready for our camping trip? It's gonna be cold, so make sure you pack socks, son. Hey, buddy. You need to tell your friend Somar to stop flirting with me. I am a married man. Hey, Firas. I fell over the other day, right? I fell right on my cactus. It hurt. These pillows will be so good. They'll be so good for winter.
Bro, what are you doing?